Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and on today's episode I want to show you how I make fish kalia, which was requested from you guys. And it is Sunday today. Nobody home. My cameraman is not home. John is here. My husband John is home. So I was planning to make like fish kalia with dal puri, kheer. I was planning like I wasn't sure if I'm gonna do this video kind of a vlog style or just a recipe, because I'm making fish kalia today. So today I'm just gonna use my phone to film. I'm not gonna use camera. And so today's meal is going to be dal puri, kheer, fish kalia, fricassee rice. But all of that already posted on my channel except the fish kalia. So I'm not gonna post the dal puri and kheer or the rice. I think I have different kind of rice. I don't know if I have yes, I think I do. I do have the fricassee rice as well that we eat in a chautari on Monday in Mauritius wedding. So I'm just gonna go, my fish is right here. I'm just gonna add some salt and pepper to it. So this is about like maybe 2 pounds or just a little bit more of fish, and I'm using kingfish. So I'm just gonna season with salt, just a little bit. I'm gonna flip it over and season the other side as well, and black pepper. I don't add vinegar or anything in my fish when I fry, just salt and pepper. So I'm gonna flip it over and make sure everywhere has salt and pepper. I'm gonna go fry the fish just until golden brown. Fish is already fried, and I set it on the side for now. In these potatoes I'm gonna add some salt and a little bit like pinch of yellow food color, and then I'm gonna mix everything until well combined. Potatoes are already mixed, and I'm using like baby potatoes. This is what I have right now, and so I'm gonna use that. I have a lot of it, so why not just use it. So in this oil, I'm going to add just a tablespoon of ghee. And it's about a cup of oil over medium-high heat. I'm going to fry these potatoes just like we fry for biryani and the rest of the kalia that I have already posted. Potatoes already removed on the side. It just took me 4 minutes to fry. To the same oil, I'm gonna start frying onions. I'm gonna have to fry these onions into batches. Just fry until golden brown. The onion is already golden brown. I have a batch already fried over here. So I'm just gonna remove them and just set them on a plate for now. So heat off. In the same pan, I'm gonna add this onion paste. You can use about 1 to 2 tomatoes and then just blend into paste. Do not add water into tomato. Obviously, I add a little bit of water in the onion. 3/4 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste. Half of the fried onions that I have blend into paste. Add a little bit of water to it. In this little plate, I have a mix of spices for the kalia. And in this I have coriander powder, cumin powder, salt, pepper, cardamom powder, cloves powder, nutmeg powder, and cinnamon powder. Add everything in here. and also some chopped coriander, chopped mint, and some chilies. The rest of the fried onion, I'm gonna add that as well. And the potatoes that we have fried, add that. And now just take a spoon and mix everything until well combined. Well mixed. Before you add the fish, add about a cup to a cup and a half of water. Now you can check your salt, taste your salt. If you need more, you can add more salt, because once you add the fish, then you don't want to mix, so the fish will break if you do that. So you don't want to do that. So now we are going to arrange the fish just like so. Cover the fish gently. I'm not mixing the fish at all. Once you cover and cook this, the fish will have all the flavor, and the gravy will mix by itself with the fish. But for now, just don't mix it. And now you can cover and then heat over medium low, and then we are going to cook this without mixing it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, let's open the lid, and this is what you're looking for. Obviously this fish kalia will cook very quick. And look at the potatoes. As long as the potatoes is done, then the fish is done. So I'm gonna leave it, I'm gonna reduce the heat a little bit lower, and then cover it back and let it cook on low heat for 10 minutes. Fish kalia is ready. And let me just break the potato, and then I'm going to show you how soft and the potato are. And the gravy, I leave my gravy thick just like that. Okay, this is what we are serving with dal puri today. If you want to eat with rice, still it is the same thing. I will leave it the same kind of gravy, like no runny gravy. And then so that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video with me, and you find this easy, and try to make it. And you can see the fish didn't break because we have cooked it, mix it gently, and we didn't mix it often. And I just mix it like once or maybe maximum twice. I want you guys to try this fish kalia recipe. It is so good, so amazingly good. And it required simple ingredient as usual, and it does not take too long to make. It is easy. Don't hear about fish kalia and thinking that, oh, this is so difficult. No, it is not. You already have all the ingredient at home, all the spices that you can make fish kalia. Ingredient will be down below in the description box. I will see you next time in another video. For now, bye bye.